so these are my delicious jerk pulled mushroom lettuce wraps with my cilantro lime sauce, mango, avocado, and plantain. Trust me, they're as good as they sound, and they're oil-free and easy to make. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. Okay, so now let's talk about what we're going to use to make these pulled jerk mushroom wraps. Now, we're going to start with some oyster mushrooms. Now, oyster mushrooms along with lion's mane are my favorite two mushrooms to use for dishes like this. You could use lion's mane and you could use other mushrooms if you can't find the oyster mushrooms. In fact, any type of mushroom would do, but the best in my opinion are oyster and lion's mane for this dish. Now, as far as what we use for our wrap, you have several different options. I have 4 or 5 different flatbreads posted here, so you could use any of those to make this wrap. But today I'm going to do a different route. I'm going to use these. And this is butter lettuce, and it's going to make it even more nutritious, and the taste is perfect in my opinion to go with these seasonings and these spices. Let's talk about the spices now. We're going to use some smoked paprika. We're going to use some cayenne pepper. We're going to use some lime zest. We're also going to use some allspice, some cinnamon, some nutmeg, black pepper, some thyme, some onion granules, some ginger powder, some garlic. We're going to use some fresh thyme also, and then some coconut aminos. So these are the spices and the combination of flavors that we're going to put onto our mushrooms. And then we're also going to use these things too. And I'll show you how we're going to use those a little later. We got avocado, we got some chopped green onion, we got a mango, and my delicious cilantro lime sauce, one of my most popular sauces. I'm going to have this recipe in the description below so you can see it. And then we're going to use some plantain also. So that's a lot of flavors going on, and trust me, they're going to come together and just form the perfect blend of flavors. You'll love these wraps if you make them. You'll see what I mean. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is prepare my mushrooms by cutting out the core and then getting them pulled into the size pieces that I want for these wraps. So let's do that now.
If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below.
All right, so now I've got my mushrooms pulled apart into the size strips that I want to make for this wrap. The next thing we're going to do is mix our spices and our coconut aminos to make our mixture to get them onto our strips and then into the oven.
So this is a quick jerk seasoning mixture of spices, but I also have a delicious jerk sauce that can be used to coat these mushrooms. Now I will include that recipe in the description below this video if you want to check it out. Now, once your sauce is mixed up, it's time to add it to the mushrooms along with the green onions and fresh thyme, and then get the mushrooms nicely coated and spread evenly onto a baking sheet.
All right, and just like that, our mushrooms are ready for the oven. And I hope you're appreciating how easy this process is. Not a lot to it. So while these are in the oven, we're going to get together our other ingredients to go into our wraps and then put it all together. All right, and now to make this wrap even tastier, we're going to prepare some plantain. We got some mango and some avocado that we're going to add. And if you know anything about any of these, you know that they're going to make this wrap just perfect.
So if you're not familiar with plantain, you want to make sure to choose one with blackish spots that's softer when you squeeze it. That means it's ripe and mildly sweet. Now, once you've removed the skin, you'll want to cut it into strips or cubes and get it on a parchment-lined baking sheet.
All right, so now I've got all my plantain cut and on the pan. Now, a lot of times when people are preparing plantain, they'll fry them in oil. But of course, we're going to be oil-free. So my answer to that, the alternative is to just brush them with some coconut aminos, put them in the oven. They'll taste just as good, if not better.
So I'm brushing a generous amount of coconut aminos on all sides of the plantain before getting it into the oven. Now, once the plantain is in the oven, I'm going to get my mango peeled and cubed as well as my avocado. Then it will be time to remove the plantain and mushrooms from the oven and let them cool.
All right, and so now I've got everything ready that needs to go into these delicious jerk mushroom wraps. And again, I'm going to be using some butter lettuce, but you could use a flatbread or whatever you choose. Let's get these put together now.
So I just want to take a moment and appreciate this meal. You know, these are my favorite type to make. We have lots of super health promoting foods combined with minimal preparation. We've cooked a couple of things, but then we have plenty of raw, which is a beautiful balance and the way that I enjoy eating. So I hope that many of you watching will make this recipe. And by the way, it's absolutely delicious. You can't go wrong when you make your own.
Okay, so everything is done and look at the beautiful results. These sandwiches look amazing. Again, this is one of my favorite combinations, but you could use a flatbread or change up the toppings to your desire. But trust me, if you go with these, you won't be disappointed. And now let me give it a taste for you, of course. That is a winner. If you make these, you'll love them. I promise you that. Can't go wrong.